Hi, I am Upendra Patel. I am going to present a hack idea which is automation of map rendering using raster handler in MI Pro Professional. So at present we have 30 plus raster file format supported in Map Info Professional. Our product uses 30 native raster handlers to render these files. We have come up with a new innovative MI Raster 3.0 engine which is integrated to MI Pro, and it is alone supports 25 plus raster image formats. So we have lot of raster handler scenarios to test for each product cycles. We are testing handler manually, which take lot of efforts and resources. For example, testing a single MRR format takes around a month. Visual testing of raster handler is not sufficient and prone to miss defect, because in raster handler we are going to validate the colors which are not easy to recognize by human eyes if you are zoom in and zoom out the map. My raster engine is integrated to special server products on the server environment. This product is supported on Windows and Linux platform. We are using MapInfo Professional for testing handler. MIPro is available on Windows platform, so we are not able to test MI raster handler even manually on Linux. So my hack idea is to build a test infrastructure which can consume underlying raster handler, which is directly consumed by MI Pro. So I am just going to consume raster handler directly through my test infrastructure and draw the raster image depending on rendering settings of raster file. Then compare the image with pre-verified image bitmap. So benefit of this approach are: first, we would able to reduce testing cycle from months to hours. Second, enabling team to test raster handler on those platforms where manual testing is not possible. Third, we can benchmark MI raster handler for supported native raster file formats with their native raster handlers. Finally, ability to seamlessly integrate it with special server product, and all of these eventually reach to have a quality in product. Let's do a quick demo. So before going to the demo, the actual test, I'm going to explain the test infra. So I have three folders: handler gold data, raster data, and runtime map. Under raster gold data, I have kept my pre-verified raster image files, and in raster data I have kept all the image raster data along with their rendering settings. And the next is the runtime map, where our runtime bitmap will be created and stored. Let's go for a quick run. Just wait, I'm going to open the one of the file. So I already have opened a average family income in MI Pro. So you can see in MI Pro there are many settings for the color rendering which can apply, and along with those settings your color will change. So I'm going to run my demo for one positive and another negative scenario. So single scenario takes around 15 minutes to perform operation and analyze the result by senior QA. And I'm going to run the same scenario now. Yeah, it's done. Took 264 milliseconds. Let's run negative scenario. So for negative scenario, I'm going to alter one of the settings so that handler actual image can differ with the gold data which already kept in that directory. So I'm going to off hillshade. It's all done. and these settings are saved in average family incomes GHX file, and then I'm going to run the same test. Yeah, it's done, and it failed now, so it's reporting correctly. So sometimes, as I said, some are the rendering stuffs which cannot be catched manually but can be catched through automation. So for example, if I on the hill shade for this file, okay, and I do apply clip limit. So even the clip limit is being applied, but you can't see the change with your naked eye. But if you run my automation, it will capture it. And now test is failed. So demo is done. I'm going back to my slide. So as we are directly, consuming the raster handler, so we are not able to test some settings which my Pro has, and it applies on the top of image block data returned from the raster handler, which are translucency, smoothing, reprojection, and assignment of color palette to a transparent pixels. Thank you.